What's up, everybody? How's it going? Today's video, we are gonna drain the oil out of the factory 97cc Baja Doodlebug engine, attempt to blow it up, because we got a brand new Predator 212 with the hemi that is gonna go inside of this little Doodlebug right here. First things first, I gotta drain the oil on this thing. Let's get to that, and then we're gonna see if we can get this thing running long enough to blow it up. A little bit. Uh-oh. That ain't gonna work. So all the oil's coming out. And I'm gonna try to get this thing running long enough. Hopefully send a rod. That'd be great. That'd be ideal, really. Got the 212 right here, waiting to go in. Look at all that. Drain it all out. Alright, so I took the chain off so we can spin this bad boy without it trying to take itself off. So we can give it some beans, we can full rev it, a little bit of brake clean to get it going. That ain't good. We'll just do that real quick. That'll fix it. Should probably put a clamp on this gas line right here so it's not leaking. That should do it. That should do it. That didn't do it. That didn't do it. That didn't do it. I'll put another one on there. Another zip tie, and now I got a zip tie holding the gas tank on it. If you can't fix it with zip ties, you can't fix it. Let's try this again. Blow up, baby. Blow up. Okay, still got a fuel issue. This is why we're doing this, because this engine, not rebuilding it, I already got the new 212. That's probably fuel started. Trying to play with the throttle and the fuel because the fuel's leaking. Might have to put the camera down for a second and get this thing real hot real quick. Getting somewhere now. Uh-oh. Oh boy. Might be locked up. Not quite the explosion I wanted. Oh, can't move it. It's locked up. We'll let this thing cool down for a little bit, and I'll see if I can come back over and crank it up. So I've let this thing cool off for half an hour. Still can't turn it over. So what I'm gonna do, take the cover off, see if I can crank it over with a drill or something. Maybe break it free, get this thing running again, and hopefully throw a rod out. That's kind of the idea. Let me take this cover off. All right, what is that? 3/4, 19. Let me get my drill, see if I can spin this thing over. Not a 3/4 or 11/16. Close enough. And by drill, I mean impact. Put this bad boy on here real quick. Maybe. Cheap tools and good tools, so there we go. Okay, it still runs. Let's keep on trying to blow it up. Unlocked it. There's no fuel, it's still going off the brake clean. Locked back up again. Or maybe not. Get some brake clean real quick and keep feeding it. Alright, so I took this thing out back again just in case it throws a rod. I'm not gonna worry about the gas, I'm just gonna use brake clean for the fuel. Get this thing going. So wet. think that's it. I think I broke the crank. Yep, I definitely broke the crank. All right, well, not quite the rod throwing I wanted, but it's locked up. I got a new one for it anyway. I'll probably take this one apart in the next video and see what happened to it besides the crank getting blown out by my impact. Yep, definitely broke the crank. Let's go turn it over. Huh. Alrighty. Not the rod throwing I wanted.